Good morning, students. Once again, welcome back to English lecture. Students, today we are going to learn grammar. So, let us move to the grammar section. Today we are going to learn WH question words. See on the right hand side, see the grid. Some question words are there like what, who, how, why, whose, whom, where, which, when. All these are called as WH question words. So why we are using these question words? We are using these question words to ask certain types of question. So this is also called as question word questions. Here question word are this: what, how, when, why, whose, when. All these are question words. And again questions. Question means we are using these question words to ask certain types of question. So this is called as WH question words. We often refer to these words as WH words because they include the letter WH. For example, why and how. See here, why, WH is also there. In how also WH letters are there. So it is called as question word question. Next, we will learn question word and their function and the example sentences. So the first question word is what. So what is the function of what? Where we are using what? For asking for information about something. So example is, what is your name? Here I want some information. So for asking for information about something, we are using the question word as what. Next, again we are asking for repetition or for confirmation. So suppose if I tell you something and you are unable to hear, so you will ask me, what teacher, I can't hear you. That means you want for repetition, you are asking for repetition. So there also we are using the question word as what. And for confirmation, if I say who did what, you did what, so you will say, teacher, I have not done anything. So here I want the confirmation from you. You did what? So for confirmation also we are using the question word as what. Next, what for. Here we asking for reason, asking why. So suppose if I ask you something and you will give me the reason. So that time also we will use what and for. So for example, what did you do that for? So here what is used? For is used. So why we are asking this? What and for asking for a reason and for asking why. So for that also we are using the question word as what for. Next question word is when. So what is the function of when? Asking about time. So when we are asking about time, when it denotes the time, you will use the question word as when. For example, when did he leave? So it denotes the time. So here you will use the question word as when. Next question word is where. So what is the function of where? Asking in or at what place or position. It means it denotes the place. It denotes the position. So there we will use the question word as where. For example, where do they live? Means it shows the place. It denotes the place where you are living. Okay. So here we will use the question word as where. Next question word is which. What is the function of which? Asking about choice, or it denotes specific things. So for example, which color do you want? So here I am asking you your choice. So here we will use the word, question word as which. Next question word is who. What is the function of who? Asking what or which person or people. In bracket subject is given. For example, who opened the door? I will ask you, who opened the door? You will say, teacher, I opened the door. So here it denotes the subject. I is the subject. So it denotes the subject. So which person? I. Which person? I opened the door. So here the person is I. So for this function which denotes the person or people, you will use the question word as who. Next question word is whom. So what is the function of whom? Asking what or which person or people in bracket object. Here means direct object. For example, whom did you see? So I will say, I saw Meena dancing in the class. So here I am asking which person or people, direct object. So who is the direct object? Here is Meena. What she is doing? She is dancing in the class. So here we will use the question word as whom. Next is whose. So what is the function of whose? Asking about ownership. Means it denotes the possession. So for example, whose are these keys? Whose turn is it? So here asking about the ownership. Who is the owner of these keys? So here we will use the question word as whose. Next question word is why. So what is the function of why? Asking for a reason, asking what for. So it denotes the reason. Why denotes the reason. So there we will use the question word as why. Why do you say that? So I am asking you the reason. Why you say that? So you will give me the reason. So for asking the reason, we are using the question word as why. Next question word is why don't. So what is the function of why don't? For making a suggestion, we are using the question word as why don't. For example, why don't I help you? Here I am making a suggestion. So here we will use the question word as why don't. Next question word is how. So what is the function of how? For asking about manner. It denotes the manner. Asking about condition or quality. So here we are using the question word as how. For example, how does this work? It denotes the manner, how you are working. So here you will use the question word as how. Asking about condition. How was your exam? I am asking the condition of your exam. So we will use the question word as how. Next we will learn the question word how plus adjective or adverb. And what is the function? Asking about. Here we will ask about extent or degree. And we will see some example also. So here the first question word how far. Here how plus far is the adverb. So how plus adverb. So we are using this question word for asking to know about the extent, to know about the distance. So for example, how far is Pattaya from Bangkok? So how far, it shows the distance, it denotes the distance. So or when it denotes the distance or when it denotes the degree, that time you will use the question word as how far. Next, how long. Here it denotes the length or time or space. So when it denotes the length or time or space, that time you will use the question word as how long. For example, how long will it take? Means it denotes the length of the time. It denotes the time. Okay. So here we will use the question word as how long. Next, how many. Here how plus many. Many is the adjective. So it denotes quantity. Means countable, where you can count quantity, but where you can, it is countable, where you can count it. For example, how many cars are there? So we can count the car. So here we will use the question word as how many. When it is shows the quantity, denotes the quantity, but countable. Next question word we will learn about how much. So what is the function of how much? It denotes quantity, means uncountable. Okay. So for example, how much money do you have? Your money is uncountable. So when it shows the quantity but uncountable, there you will use the question word as how much. Next question word is how old. Here it denotes about the age. When it shows about the age, when it denotes about the age, there you will use the question word as how old. For example, how old are you? It denotes the age. So here we will use the question word as how old. Next question word is how come. It is informal. So it denotes for asking for a reason, asking why. So there we will use the question word as how come. For example, how come I can't see her? How come I can't see her? Here we are asking the reason. For asking reason also we are using the question word as how come. Now in short we will see how WH questions are formed to get a specific answer. Here two columns are made. One is of interrogative word and the other one is denotes. So in the first interrogative word, the first one is where. So where we are using this question word where? When it will denotes about the place. Next interrogative word when. When it will denotes about the time. Next interrogative word who. When it will denotes or when it will shows about, will say about the subject. Next interrogative word whom. It will denote the person, direct, object. Next interrogative word what. It will denote about the things of subject or direct object. Next interrogative word whose. It will denote the possession or position. Next interrogative word why. When it will denotes about the reason. When it will denotes the reason, there we will use the interrogative word as why. Next how. When it will denotes the manner. When it will tells us about the manner, we will use the interrogative word as why. Next how. Next interrogative word is how much. When it will denotes the quantity. Next interrogative word how many. When it will denotes the number, means countable. And how much quantity, here it will denotes the uncountable. Okay. Next interrogative word which. Here it denotes specific things.